In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI Image Generator 2025. This handy tool is great for creating stunning images with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and see how simple it is to create your visual masterpieces. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're in, look to the left side of your home screen, where you'll find a side menu panel. Click on Canva AI. This will take you to the Canva AI interface where all the magic happens. Now direct your attention to the middle of the dashboard, where there's a prominent search bar. Just below the search bar, you'll see an option labeled Create an Image. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to designing a fresh new graphic using AI technology. When you click Create an Image, a drop-down menu will appear with the option labeled Style. Click on it, and you'll see various predetermined image styles. Select one that matches the theme or aesthetic you're going for, whether that's modern, vintage, abstract, or something else entirely. Next, consider your image's size and orientation. This is crucial, especially if you're designing for specific platforms or purposes. Whether you need a horizontal image, vertical layout, or a specific dimension, now's the time to specify it. Once your style and dimensions are set, go ahead and type in your prompt. This could be a brief description of what you want in your image. Remember, the clearer and more descriptive your prompt, the closer the AI will get to understanding your vision. Click Submit after entering your prompt. Now you'll have to exercise a little patience here as the AI works on generating your image. It might take a moment, but it's worth the wait. Once the process is complete, Canva AI will present you with 4 sample images based on your prompt. Browse through these options and choose the one you like best. If you're aiming for higher image quality, you can click on Boost Resolution. This will refine your selected image further, rendering it in sharper detail. While the image enhances, wait a little longer until the refinement process finishes. Afterward, click on the image to get a closer look. If you're satisfied with the final product, you have 2 options for what to do next. You can download it by simply clicking on the download icon located at the top right corner of the image. Alternatively, you can open it in the Canva editor for further adjustments or personalized touches. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to harnessing the power of Canva's AI image generator. I hope this helps you create wonderful designs effortlessly. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with it.